There we go. So we've got a single item in our array. And really where we want to go next is we want to basically have a multiple items array. And we could do this with just using a for loop or something like that and just pushing it into an array. But another really nice way of kind of just starting out with like an array of a set number of items is you can use this Array.from method, which just, you can give it other items which are array-like, but all we really want to do is give it an object with a length. So let's say like length 4, and that itself generates an array, and we'll have an array basically of 4 items, which is just going to have undefined in it. And we could just fill that array with like a base object, but what we really want to do now is to go over and actually fill each item with like random content basically. So when we use the map function, what we usually have is the item inside the array, and then whatever we return is what is going to change that item to, or it's going to create a new array actually. It's not going to change the original array, create a new array with the values that we then return back. So here we go, we've got this map item, we want to get rid of that trailing square brace. And if we log that out again, what we should have is 4 of the same thing. So now we've got 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool.